Greetings, it is December 17th, 2019. The Under the Wing series artwork 71 progress is now 2/3 complete. Settela Steinbach, who is also known as Stella. In the center, I've got a portrait, what in my mind is like a sea monster on the right, and an aquatic reptile in the near right here. Got just a touch of color in the open mouth of the sea monster there. All the rest is black and white. All right, and I shall decide sometime within 24 hours as to what I'm going to depict over here. Okay, to be continued. Please visit my website, humanrights-holocaust-art.org. All right, there you have it. Memorial art to a 10-year-old Romani child, girl victim of the Nazis and fascists in Europe during the time of the Second World War and Holocaust.